3. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Mahir MBA, and this is the video number 4, the decision, and the topic is India ready for cashless economy? Introduction. A cashless economy is a system where most financial transactions are carried out through digital payment method instead of paying cash. This digital payment include mobile wallets, online banking, debit cards, credit cards, and instant bank transfers. In recent years, India has made significant progress toward becoming a cashless economy. The growth of digital infrastructure, smartphones, and payment technologies has transformed the way people pay for goods and services. One of the most important innovations driving this transformation is the Unified Payment Interface (UPI), developed by National Payment Corporation of India. UPI allows users to transfer money instantly between bank accounts using mobile apps. Major payment platforms like Google Pay, PhonePe, and Paytm have made digital payments simple and accessible for millions of Indians. However, despite this rapid growth, the question remains: is India fully ready to become a completely cashless economy? To answer this question, we need to examine current digital payment data, advantages, challenges, and the future trends. So now, I'll talk about the background and current data. India's digital payment ecosystem has expanded dramatically in the last decade. Growth of digital payment, UPI currently accounts for around 83 to 85% of all digital transactions in India, making it the dominant payment method. The platform connects over 491 million users and 61 million merchants across 675 banks. In December 2025, UPI recorded over 2163 crore transactions worth nearly 28 lakh crore in a single month, showing the massive scale of digital payment. Digital payments now represent about 99.8% of total transaction volume in India's payment system, according to RBI data. The expansion of QR codes, mobile payment apps, and affordable internet has made digital transaction common even in small business and street markets. India also operates one of the world's largest digital merchant networks with hundreds of millions of QR codes and payments terminals across the country. These developments show that India has built one of the most advanced digital payment infrastructure in the world. Now I'm going to talk about the advantages of cashless economy. Why India is moving toward it. There are several important reasons why India is encouraging digital payments. First one is faster and convenient transaction. Digital payment allow people to send or receive money instantly. Instead of handling cash, customer can simply scan a QR code and paying with seconds using their smartphone. This convenience has significantly increased the adoption of digital payments. Many consumers now prefer using apps like Google Pay and PhonePe for everyday purchases. Second, transparency and reduction of black money. A major benefit of digital transaction is transparency. Every digital payment leaves a transaction record. This helps the government reduce tax evasion, track financial flows, reduce corruption and illegal transaction. Digital payment therefore help strengthen the formal economy. Financial inclusion. Digital payment platforms have allowed millions of people to access formal financial services. Even individuals in rural areas can now receive government benefit directly into bank account, make digital payment, access digital banking service. Digital finance is helping bring previously unbanked population into the financial system. Next, boost to the digital economy. The growth of digital payment supports the expansion of the broader digital economy. Online shopping, digital service, and fintech startup rely heavily on digital platform payment systems. India's digital retail payments are expected to reach around 7 trillion by 2030, driven largely by UPI adoption. This growth supports innovation and economic development. Last, lower cost for business. Handling cash involves several costs such as cash handling, security, transportation, accounting. Digital payment reduce this cost and make financial management easier for business. Small business and street vendors now accept QR-based payments, which require minimal infrastructure. Number 4. Now I'm going to talk about the challenges preventing a fully cashless economy. Despite strong progress, India still faces several challenges before becoming completely cashless. First one is digital divide. Not everyone has access to a smartphone, internet connectivity, or digital literacy. Many rural areas still face poor internet connectivity, limited smartphone access, low awareness of digital payment system. This digital divide prevents universal adoption of cashless transaction. Second, cybersecurity and fraud risks. Digital payment also increase exposure to cybercrime. Common risks include online fraud, phishing attacks, payment scams. Consumer must remain cautious when using digital platform. Financial institutions must invest heavily in cybersecurity to protect user. Number 3, dependence on technology. Cashless systems rely heavily on technology infrastructure such as internet connectivity, mobile network, banking service. If this system fails due to the technical issue, cyber attacks or power outages, transactions may be disrupted. Cash still acts as a backup payment method in such situation. Privacy concern. Digital transactions generate large amount of personal financial data. This raises concern about data privacy, surveillance, misuse of financial information. Strong data protection laws are necessary to maintain consumer trust. Cultural preferences for cash. Many people in India still prefer using cash because it feels more secure and familiar. Cash is widely used in small rural markets, informal sector infrastructure, daily wages payments. Changing long-standing payment habit takes time. Now I'm going to talk about the government initiative supporting cashless payment. The Indian government has launched several initiatives to promote digital payment. Key initiatives include Digital Indian Program, Jan Dhan Yojana, Bhim UPI payment system, Direct Benefit Transfer (DBT) scheme. These programs aims to expand banking access and encourage digital payment adoption across the country. Government policies have also helped create one of the world's most advanced public digital infrastructure for payments. Number 6. Now I'll talk about the global position of India in digital payment. India is now considered a global leader in real-time digital payment. UPI has become one of the most widely used payment systems in the world. India possesses nearly half of the world's real-time digital payment, demonstrating the scale of its digital payment ecosystem. UPI is also expanding internationally with payment partnership in countries such as Singapore, France, and the UAE. This shows that India's payment infrastructure has global potential. Now I'm going to talk about the future of cashless economy in India. India is moving toward a less cash society rather than a completely cashless economy. Future development may include expansion of digital payment infrastructure in rural areas, growth of fintech startup, integration of digital payment with international system, development of central bank digital currencies. The Reserve Bank of India is also experimenting with a digital rupee, which may further strengthen digital financial system. As technology adoption increases, digital payment will continue to grow rapidly. Now I'll talk about the conclusion. India has made remarkable progress toward becoming a digital payment driven economy. The rapid adoption of UPI, mobile wallets, and QR-based payment has transformed the way people conduct financial transactions. However, despite this advancement, India is not fully ready to eliminate cash completely. Challenges such as digital literacy gaps, cybersecurity risk, and infrastructure limitation still exist. Therefore, the realistic goal for India is not a completely cashless system but a cashless economy where digital payment dominate while cash remains available.